Austin family. So I'm pretty sure I know what's going on. So I wanted to make you a quick video so you could see what I think is happening. So if you're on the Pixlr site, your Pixlr E, you've opened up your coloring sheet. Let me just make it smaller so you can see all the important stuff. All right, so I'm pretty sure what's happening is whatever color here you're saying it's going back to. So if you click on it, are you moving, or at least what I'm assuming is happening, that you're not moving this little circle to a different color. Even if you move this bar, you still have to move the white circle to whatever color you want and then press OK. And then this circle will show you what color you will have to color in your design. So again, if I want to change that, say I want it blue, I need to make sure I click on whatever blue color I want, press OK, and then I can add my blue. And then I would save, and I would save it that way. Hopefully that helps. Let me know. Good luck.